it's Christmas and all, but you're probably not watching this on Christmas. And these are my Christmas fidgets that I only know about right now. So I'll show you them once we open this. My fidgets. My favorite mochi is right there. It's so cute. Okay, let's start opening. We're going to have to move the tab this way. If you guys can see me, good for you. I am wearing my pajamas still because it's early. First thing that I got is this burger poppet purse. It has stuff inside of it. So let's open it. I hear something. Let's open it. I'm not gonna look inside of it. I'm just gonna grab stuff. It's a marble mesh, pink and blue marble mesh. The marble in there is blue. This is one of my favorite kind of fidgets. That's good for me. Let's put that right there in the box. And the blue and blue one. It's a blue marble mesh with the blue marble. Actually, a green marble. This is so cool. I like it. Let's go in. Oh, this is the sound I heard. It's a heart fidget game. Yeah. Cool. Okay, this thing fell out real quick. My thing. It's a mini poppet, mini green white poppet. I think this is what I think it is. This is so cool. I like my infinity cube. Infinity cube. If you like this video, leave a like down below, and if you comment down below, I might shout you out. Please share this video. I'm not very popular because nobody knows about me. I make weird videos too. And most of them are about fidgets, and 2 of them are just weird. I meant to delete them, but I didn't. Well, I found 2 monkey noodles, normal monkey noodles, one pink, one purple. They have a mini purple one. Maybe it's tiny. Let's go in, put that in the box. Is this a mochi? It's a kitty! It's a kitty mochi! And I have a puzzle. I think it's what it's called. I'm gonna check the video still playing. Okay, thank God. I thought you guys weren't still playing because it stopped. This is cool, I guess. It's textured. Another mochi. It's a yellow cat. I think it's a cat. Maybe it's not. I think it is. Dirty cat. Put that in there. Oh, it's a mini poppet. Listen to it. I think it sounds cool. Well, this is a mini puppet that I can put on my backpack. Good new backpack for Christmas. Oh, it's a hard puppet that can go on it too. Is this what I think it is? It is. This is one of my dream fidgets. It's Galaxy Dimple. I have 4 of them. Actually, yeah, I have 5 of them though. It's a puzzle. Ooh, I like it. The puzzle one. It pops on one side, not both. Over there. I feel 2 more of the balls. Oh, it's a mini one. Mini one, and it's another one. The big ones. It's a mini wacky track. I like the mini wacky tracks. I wish I had some, but this is my first one. Can make a mini snowflake out of it. Oh, it's 2 more noodles. It's a big pink one and then a little pink one. And it's another one. The thing I'm going for is regular pressure rings. Here's an orange mini noodle. And another ball. It's there. I have an extra pressure ring. Have a gold silver one. Don't mind the poppets that I'm wearing. Oh, and I wanted to see if somebody wanted to trade me for this right here. I got this for Christmas. I just put it on. It's a mini octopus bracelet. And I have these two bracelets that I'm into a necklace. Yeah, those are for trade. And if you guys want to trade me online, make me, or you could put the offers that you want to offer down below in the chat. I mean, down below in the comment section. Well, I'm not finished yet. I still have lots more to go. I think I'm done with this poppet purse. Yeah. Has good pops on the side. Put this right here. And here's the ribbon to hold it. Foods and pizzas and burgers and stuff. Putting my other bracelet on. Ow. Ow, frick. That hurt. My dog's making noise over there. Nee, what are you doing? And if you know Brooklyn Shroud, please hate on her. She's rude, ugly, nasty. She scammed me for all my stuff. And seriously, not playing. Well, I'm not finished yet. If you are a friend with her, good for you. Let's get on with the video. Next purse. Do the acupressure ring on top of it. Nice one. I'm going to organize my fidgets in a minute once I open up. This thing was busting out. I mean, bussing. Why I keep on saying busting? I can't say it right. Busting out. Busting out. Yeah, busting out. I have two other ones so I can do it. I can do one. Another heart, but I don't really like it. It's a red bike chain. I'm trading any fidgets. If you guys see any fidgets that you like in the comments, do it down below. Ooh, it's a red marble mesh with green marble. There's more monkey noodles. Ooh, one green one. One big green one and one small green one. One big blue one and one small blue one. Another puzzle ball. It's stuck to my finger. Oh, it's a unicorn. It's a unicorn, like I was going to say. See, it matches it. That's not. There's something in the bottom. Ooh, it's these two right here. The purple small one. Stuck in the bottom. First I have this koala bear. And this pink one. Pink / red / orange. Another acupressure ring. It's in my nose. My mom likes these things. There's two. One, two. Two more. A blue one and a pink one. That's cool. I like it. And that's it. This purse has good pops in the back. Now let's organize my fidgets. Oh, I told you I would. You can't see through my laptop when I move it. Okay, I don't know how to edit so far as my video. Start with my emojis. Take them apart. Emojis, look one tiny. This is my bear one. My bunny one, bun. And the two balls. The big ones and the small ones both. Okay, let's just take them all out. This is the giant skull I was talking about. And my favorite is Snoopy.